Hi guys, hope you all are keeping well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create amazing content for your brand using our site apluscontent.ai. Here you will be able to create amazing standardized content with different kind of prompts and different kind of layouts using different types of AI based systems to be able to create amazing content for your brand. Whether it's for e-commerce, social media, regardless of what product category, we are able to kind of generate and create amazing content which is related to the product, which takes your branding guidelines into context. And I'm going to show you how you can generate that on our site. So as you enter you once you log in, you can quickly create your own workspace. Here is where you import the product, enter the description, add the images, etc. Once you're done with that, you're also able to import certain fonts, all the font families that you would want. We have a whole range of fonts available in case you want something specific to your brand. Once you do that, you can then go ahead and select a specific product. In this example, let's say I'm going to select the Shine Hair Serum. Once I select the product, here you will be able to see all your past content. So here are all the images with the serum that I have generated. Then I can go ahead and click on create. This is where I can go and find different design templates in different sizes. So all these different design templates are better able to show you the composition of the image with the placement of the product, the relevant element, as well as what's happening on the text side, which is like, are you going for one tagline and then where the product is going to be placed, which is versus like a layered design in this case as well. So let's say I select this composition. Once I select the composition, I have three different aspects. I have the uploaded text, I have the uploaded image asset, and a theme that I have created along with a different LLM. To be able to stick to my brand's guidelines, I've selected a serene golden oasis with rippling water, smooth tones. We're also going for some rocks, amber light, and silky hair strands. So all of the reflecting elements that kind of showcase the product, selecting the product and the text asset. Then going ahead and generating a brief. Now, this is where the AI is kind of going to think about what our composition should be. So it selected a background style which is translucent golden gradient resembling liquid walnut oil. It's going to be kind of a layered design with this in mind. And then it's also selected a tagline suggests of instant shine, effortless radiance, rich amber gold as the color, as we're sticking to kind of the theme overall, and transform your hair, embrace the glow. And we'll have the product position in the center. I'm going to go ahead and generate content. Now let's quickly go back and create for another composition while, and then we go ahead and review for some of the others as well. Now in this case, let's go ahead with the diagonal split layout in a square aspect ratio. Again, I'm going to select the theme, I'm going to select the product, and I'm going to select the text asset. All of this you have control over, you can upload. Now in the same way, I'm going to go ahead and get a design brief as well. This shows you different compositions, examples of the split layout, how the text is going to come about as well. And then you're able to read the background, a soft golden texture, surface reminiscent of sun drenched and desert oasis, the features, the tagline, as well as the tagline color. You can edit each one of these as you see, deem fit, and then go ahead and generate content. So here our first design is already made. We're kind of able to see what's happening. We had the golden kind of liquid which was designed defined as the element, and we've kind of created a layered scene around it. I'm able to edit the product. I'm going to able to change its kind of sizing. I can also bring in a shadow effect, change the shadow effect around, offset it, create the blur the way I deem fit. I'm also able to kind of change the color of my shadow and kind of make it a lot more appealing and interesting. And as far as the background is also concerned, I can actually change the lighting effects. I can change the contrast around. If I want to make it a lot more alive, I can probably also increase the brightness. I can play around with a lot of these factors to make the image look a lot more appealing and brand specific. All of this text is editable as well, so that makes it easier. And then you see like how you're able to create another option here where we have like a split layout, something with a clear tagline which has editable font, And the beauty is, if you like a certain font, you can actually apply that font to all, and we get like a much more standard design overall. And then you're able to kind of reposition the elements. The product is completely movable, and you're also able to kind of download a PSD layer, so a layered file, and bring it into Photoshop and do a lot of the editing there yourself as well. And now I'm going to show you some more of these examples for this specific product that we've created for all a whole range of different layouts that were there. So this is something we created right now, both of these. Then this is something I created a little earlier, and so on. You can also have human elements. This is all part of the different compositions that we have provided, and the unique sizes, the unique aspect ratios, and like the consistency with the theme, to be always to be able to showcase the walnut, to be able to showcase the kind of golden liquid, and sticking to the theme overall. And also having the ability to have like much better control on the product, the way you can position it, the way it creates the reflections, and the whole kind of editability factor for the fonts as well is what makes it truly unique. So you can quickly sign up, you can get on a demo. I would love to demo this to you all, and go ahead and provide some free credits for you all to try, and become users of the tool as well. Thank you so much for watching.